Today, I'll walk you through how to create bills in Xero, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage your expenses efficiently so you can keep your business finances organized. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to sign into your Xero account. Once you're in, head over to the top menu here. You'll find the Purchases option. Click on it and then select Bills. This is where all the magic happens. To create a new bill, simply click on New Bill. Think of this as opening a fresh page in your financial ledger. Now you'll need to select a supplier. This is like choosing the right contact in your phone before sending a message. Enter the bill details carefully. This includes the date, reference, and due date. Next, add an item or a description. This is where you specify what the bill is for. Enter the quantity and the amount. It's like filling out a shopping list but for your business expenses. Take a moment to review all the information. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Accuracy is key here. Once you're confident everything is correct, click Save or Approve to create the bill. This step is like sealing an envelope before sending it off. Your bill will now appear in your bills list, ready for you to manage from the Purchases section. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Xero updates its interface from time to time, but the core steps remain the same. You've now successfully created a bill in Xero. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.